K-pop or E-boy? Hey, what's up everyone, it's Isaac here, welcome back. So today's videos, I'm going to be a E-boy. So right now I'm just doing the research on YouTube and the Google and see what is the E-boy. What is E-boy? E-boy, I'm coming. Ooh, that video.
Weird things girls find attractive. The eye roll thingy. Choking. Chambering.
What is that?
Veins. Did it work?
That is E-boy, right?
Chambering. Veins.
Why they always doing this? What happened in the world?
Damn!
I think I know what is E-boy.
Okay.
Interesting. Hey Matt,
Yo!
last time you don't know what is Blackpink. And today,
I know Blackpink.
yeah, you know Blackpink, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, do you know what is E-boy?
What the fuck is Z-Boy? I don't know.
NANI?
I don't know. What the fuck is Z-Boy? What the fuck is Z-Boy?
Oh, so. Ask you again.
What the fuck is E-Boy?
Oh, you can.
もう死んでいる。
The middle bar hairstyle is the signature of E-boy, so let's get it. Oh my god, that's so E-boy. So handsome.
Feels like I've been buried alive. Let it breathe. It feels like I've been buried alive. Everything happens for a reason. People only in your life for seasons. Word up.
What the fuck? Oh, I forgot something. What the fuck am I doing here? Oh my god. Hey, how's the feeling, guys? This is really Yi Boy. Hey, Matt. Yo, look at my style. I'm Yi Boy right now. 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 Look at my shoes. This is the signature of the Yi Boy because it is their shoes. It's not mommy's shoes. It's not grandpa's shoes. It's daddy's shoes, you know. And also, yeah, look at my hairstyle. It's middle part hairstyle. I just seeing the videos. So many Yi Boy, they just have the middle part hairstyle. Okay, so yeah, my earring. It is so nice, man. Earring. Bling, 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 bling. Can you see that? Yeah. Also, the accessories. Silver color accessories is the best with the Yi Boy style. And you know what? I just know what is Yi Boy. It's extremely hentai handsome boy. Yeah. Yi Boys, they always do like this and they thinking they are really enjoy. I enjoy somebody hold my neck like that. I am your father.
What the fuck are you talking about, man? Shit, man.
So I hope you guys love this style. Yeah. Yeah. What the fuck? Is that Yi Boy? Or am I just a K-pop idol? I think I'm not Yi Boy, I'm K-pop idol. What the fuck? So right now, I would like to ask my followers how's they feeling about my Yi Boy style. Okay, let's go! 喂，督到我啊！頂你！
好似手機。
Hey guys, so right now I would like to do the live videos on Instagram to see how's the reaction of my followers. Okay? Let's go! Hi, I would like to show you my new style. Hi! Hi! So how's my new style? Am I look like a Yi Boy or K-pop idol? K-pop or Yi Boy? Yes, okay. So yeah, thank you for support and loving Isaac, and yeah, I will show these videos on my YouTube channel. Okay, so I hope you have a nice day. And what's your name? Tanya. Tanya, nice to see you again. And welcome to the Isaac family. And have a nice day. Have a nice day. I am a Yi Boy or K-pop idol. Really? Still K-pop idol? Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Okay.
You never can be a Yi Boy, man.
I never can be a Yi Boy. I thought I got the Yi Boy signature. And I can do more like Yi Boy too.
Let me help you, man.
Ooh, nice. Oh, really? I don't know. Shit. Actually, I feel so sorry about the sound problem, so that's why you can't hear any voice from the followers. By the way, it is so good to seeing you to be Isaac family. So thank you for support always, and let's get 100k subscriber. It is good to see you on my live videos, so see you on my next videos. Have a nice day. Yi Boy
OMK 真係 OMK 其實，你真係諗住咁樣出街？ 我諗啲人都未必肯接受。